guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be planning for the week of February 3rd through the 9th in my oh my goodness, my memory planner. The kit that I used was a kit from the Scrappy Fox or Cocoa and Fluff. And then I just have my scripts here from Plannahannah that we're just going to go ahead and fill in, and I will kind of talk about what went on this week. It's almost 2 months now since it happened, but I do have a February that I'm going to lay down there. So on Monday, I did sleep in. This was from a Plannahannah sheet that I had as a freebie. This bed is from Carlea Plans. This coffee cup is from Carlea Plans. The coffee is from a random foil bundle I had. I think, yeah. This day we watched some Paw Patrol, which that's from Carlea Plans. This is from the foil bundle, and I was reading Lady of Shadows. We had a hair appointment. We ran errands. We did get to tidy up a little bit, and I did do a jam sesh while I was cleaning. On to Tuesday, I was tired AF again. Oh, foil bundle, foil bundle, foil bundle. Don't remember SPC, Leonard Designs, and McPlans. I can zoom you guys in just a little bit more. There we go. Again, a random sheet from Plannahannah, Carlea Plans. This is from Carlea Plans. I did have a doom scroll this morning. The little pig holding a coffee cup is from McPlans. I did have coffee this morning. And trying to see here. I don't remember whatever's last I'll put there, but that's from McPlans. Foil bundle, SPC, SPC. And I did change my wax. On to Wednesday, I did sleep in. And the little eye mask is from a foil bundle. SPC, random sheet. I did have a YouTube binge while I was playing with my cricket, which that's from Carlea Plans, and Leonard Designs, which I believe, sorry, this one is a little hard to read. I think we had shrimp this night. Okay. On to Thursday, I did sleep in. And the pig is from McPlans. That's from Leonard Designs. Foil bundle. So I did do some more cricket crafting. I did have a YouTube binge, which that's from SPC. I listened to These Violent Delights, which I used a big box, but that's okay. That's from the foil bundle, and I had Cuddles, which is from Once More with Love. On to That's right. On to Friday. I believe we got up early, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. I got up early, which I just used a pig from Plans that looks like Pua. I read, which is from SPC, don't remember, but I did get Happy Mail. Foil Bundle SPC. I did some planning and filming, that's right. Put film down there. I did some cleaning and I took a bath. So SPC, SPC, SPC. On to Saturday, I had my coffee. Come on. And we did some laundry and had some TV time. And on to Sunday, I had my coffee. Come on. And I had a doom scroll. And then that is right. I did some filming on Tuesday. And I do have some stuff left over because I did get more than I needed, but that's okay. So that's how that week turned out. I love it. This was a kit that I wasn't sure, like, or a company or a shop that I haven't really used before, so I had to lay everything down and kind of see how it turned out. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.